Hello everyone, welcome to TrackHr. Today we will learn about the console settings in admin account. Click on the three bars on the top left corner of home page and scroll down to console menu. Here you can see multiple tiles which is only available in admin account. Click on organization settings. Here you can add all the information about your organization. First, organization name, add name of your organization. Second, daily report time. Here you can add the time when you want to send the daily work report to your employees. Third, organization location. Here you can add the locations of your office. If you have different locations, you can add multiple locations. Checking checkout location. Enabling this will take the employee's location at the time of checking and checkout. Limit shift closure. Enabling this will not allow employee to fill duration more than duration between checking and checkout time. Selfie on check-in or checkout. Enabling this will ask all employees to take selfie on checking and checkout. Then click on Save on the top right. Next is rights management. You can select any employee and give right to them according to their interest and position in the company. If you want to know more about this panel, there is a detailed video on this topic available. You can check out link in the description. Next, live location settings. You can enable the live location of an employee whom you want to check the live location of. If you enable the live location of an employee, then you will be able to check the live location of that particular employee from the next checking date. Next, shift master. Here you can add shift timings of your company. You can even add multiple shifts of your company here. Start with adding name, then start and end time. You can add break time of the employees along with working days. There is a late mark relaxation time which you can give to your employee, whether it can be 5 to 10 minutes. And other is half mark relaxation, that is how much time is given to an employee before marking half day. Next is employee configuration. Here every information will be given here of each employee of the organization. His manager's name, his shift, designation, department, monthly salary. You can change these details and then click on update. Next is shift management. Here you can change or edit the shift timing of employee if he or she forgot to check in or check out. You can even add the shift on their behalf if he forgot to do both checking and checkout by clicking on the Add Shift menu below. Click on shift, then select the date and add shift on that particular date. Organization category. Here you can add different category in an organization according to your company norms and uses. Next, approval master. Here you can select the person who will be responsible for the specific task. For an example, let's take leave, then the manager will be the approver for the leave added by their team member. You can even add more person who can also approve the leave or any other task on their behalf, and also add a notify to person. Holidays. Here you can add the predefined holidays of the organization according to the company policies. Group Master. Here you can add multiple groups of departments according to your organization and add members to group or departments they belongs to. This will help you in reports checking and broadcast any message. Google Calendar setting. This will merge your all the tasks in Google Calendar of the provided email ID. Log out. You can use this feature to log you out from the TrackHr. You can again log in into the TrackHr by adding number and scanning the QR code of View Manager in hierarchy. Thank you.